So there is very strict security nowadays in university, and there all the gates are closed, and only one way is this. So here I find a man, delivery man, and my husband sent something.
这个是你吗？
是我的，
是吗？
是
啊，好的。
啊，谢谢。
对。
好。So I receive it and I'm going back to my dorm. So you guys can see the weather is so amazing here. This is the daytime, nearly 2 o'clock, and it's noon here, but it's so beautiful, right? And the beautiful roses. I will show you a dormitory. So wow, thank you so much, and it's so beautiful. So this is what I found, a different kind of roses, and yeah, so beautiful. Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, and yeah, I'm gonna show you one beautiful thing that my husband sent me like a surprise, and this is the Valentine Day in China, and the Valentine Day is noted like International Valentine Day. Is in China they have their own day according to the lunar calendar. They celebrate the Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna show you these beautiful roses, and yeah, I'm thankful to my husband who sent me this so beautiful flowers, and it's the real one. Yes, and I love it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So this is what I got yesterday, and a big package. This was packed with this, and the packing was, I made this packing. This is really beautiful, and these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 roses. So different number of roses have different meanings. The 11 roses my husband sent to me, it means to be with me forever. And this have here is the button. You can see the white color. Okay, let me press it. Wow, so beautiful. Right, very gorgeous. I love it. And when I press it, this have different function. The one button, and again press third time, it means the lights are stopped, and yeah, 4 times so thank you very much to my sweet husband. The packing is so amazing, and the flowers are real so beautiful. I love it. So let me tell you one story about the Chinese Valentine Day, why they celebrate, and what happened in old time to this day. Why, you may ask, that am I talking about Valentine's Day on August? Well, Qixi Festival is also known as Qixi Festival, is a Chinese Valentine Day, which is the 7th day of the 7th month on lunar calendar, and that falls this year on 14th August. So this festival is started in Han Dynasty. So you can think that how old this story is. So yeah, let me tell you the story. It's a story about a cowherder, poor boy, and a weaver fairy girl, which was daughter of the emperor king, and they fall in love with each other. So that makes the fairy weaver daughter father's displeased. This story is being told today, which shows people longing for their love, and every year they have their special day to show the love to their loved ones. So this day is very meaningful. We see the story of cowherder, poor boy, and a fairy tale.
Story of a poor mortal cowherder and a fairy weaver girl, daughter of the heavenly Jade Emperor. They fell in love, which displeased her father, and were separated, kept apart by the Milky Way. But their love endured, and they were permitted to meet once every year on the 7th day of the 7th lunar month, or
I watched this story and I already watched this story too. One thing I surprised that couple had been separated for such a long time, and it was not easy to meet with each other. I hope that every couple should spend their life with their loved one until they grow old and never leave each other. China is an ancient civilization and a deep understanding of Qixi festival to let those you love near and far know how much you care. Until next time. So what my flowers which my honey sent to me, and in I think it's important to express love and to show your love to the loved ones, and send flower. In China, we usually celebrate Chinese Valentine's Day. We don't celebrate the International Valentine's Day. Like this story, don't forget to subscribe the channel.